Are you looking for a quick and easy way to increase your protein? What if I told you you can indulge yourself with a healthy, no sugar, low carb ice cream with the added benefit of protein? This ice cream has less than 5 net carbs per serving, is packed with protein, and has no sugar. It's creamy and it tastes delicious. Want the scoop? Let's make it together. Hi friends, I'm Maria with Wellness Lifestyle Couple. 4 years ago, my husband Life and I lost over 80 pounds between us, and we've kept it off. We switched to a low-carb, ketogenic Mediterranean lifestyle. And we keep the weight off by eating real food, keeping our intake sugar low, and we make healthier versions of the things we love, like ice cream, because life is too short not to have ice cream. And how do we do this? By creating fun, satisfying recipes like this one, which supports our health goals and keeps our life joyful. Sure, it's easy to get low-carb ice cream at the stores these days, but they can be pretty expensive, and many of them still have sketchy ingredients. You know, the kind of ingredients that you can't pronounce and don't sound like food at all. We prefer clean, organic ingredients, and because we make it at home, we can feel good about what we are putting in our body, and that it can be nourishing too as an added bonus. In about 30 minutes is all it takes, and you too can be enjoying a delicious, creamy, healthy ice cream. It's really that easy. Now let's talk about how we increase the protein. We are going to add collagen to my base vanilla recipe, and this is a recipe that I've been working on for about 3 years, and it is absolutely delicious and creamy. My husband and I are in our mid-50s. Sure, we lost the weight and have kept it off, but we are learning just how important protein is for maintaining strong, healthy muscle as we age. And it's not always easy to hit our protein goals. So adding collagen to ice cream is a simple, delicious hack. And we can feel good about enjoying something like ice cream completely guilt-free. Collagen is an important nutrient that supports our skin, joints, bones, and connective tissue. You know, all the things that help us look younger, age stronger, feel better, and live our best life. Let me show you how I make my high-protein vanilla ice cream. I've been using the KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment for about 3 years now, and I love it. And it's because it's so easy to use and it gives perfect results every single time. The attachment should be properly chilled at least 24 hours in the freezer. Here's what you'll need for this clean, high-protein vanilla ice cream. 1.5 cups organic heavy cream, 1 cup organic half and half, 3 scoops organic collagen peptides, unflavored or vanilla. Whisk the collagen with the whipping cream and half and half first to dissolve the powder in a mixing bowl until smooth. You can also use a mixer to dissolve any clumps, but be careful not to overmix so you don't end up with whipped cream. 1/2 cup allulose or 1/3 cup erythritol and monk fruit blend, 1 tablespoon organic vanilla extract, and if you have vanilla bean, I would add that in. 1 tablespoon MCT oil or vodka. Now this is optional, but it helps keep the texture soft. And a pinch of sea salt. Pour it into your cold KitchenAid ice cream bowl and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches soft serve consistency. Easy peasy. Look at that texture. It's creamy, it's scoopable, and wait till you taste it. Ooh la la. It's rich, it's clean, it's healthy, and it tastes delicious. Add a low-carb chocolate sauce or chopped walnuts for some extra protein. Or add your favorite topping. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and share it with someone who wants to enjoy ice cream the healthy way. Comment below if you would like me to make another flavor. And don't forget to visit us at wellnesslifestylecouple.com for more clean, low-carb recipes and tips to help you live your best balanced life. Stay healthy, be happy, and live fully. Or as we say in Costa Rica, pura vida.